In 2026, Padel rackets have become more advanced than ever, with better materials, improved balance, and designs tailored for different playing styles. So in this video, we're breaking down 5 of the best Padel rackets right now, whether you're just getting started, leveling up your skills, or playing at a competitive level. Let's start with a powerhouse, the BULLPADEL Racket. This one is clearly built for aggressive players who want maximum power behind every shot. The moment you connect cleanly, you can feel the impact and the speed it generates, especially during smashes and attacking plays near the net. It still offers a decent level of control, so it doesn't feel completely unforgiving. But the focus here is definitely on power. If your style is fast-paced, offensive, and all about finishing points quickly, this racket is going to feel incredibly satisfying to use. Now, if your game is more about speed and movement, the Babolat Air Viper 2.5 is a fantastic choice. This racket is lightweight and designed for quick reactions, making it perfect for players who rely on agility and positioning. It feels very responsive in hand, allowing you to react faster during intense rallies. You also get excellent spin potential, which helps when placing controlled shots or adding variation to your gameplay. Overall, this is ideal for players who want a fast, dynamic racket that keeps up with their movement on the court. Next up is the Head Speed Padel Racket, and this is one of the most balanced options you can get. It offers a great combination of power and control, making it suitable for a wide range of players. Whether you're defending from the back or attacking at the net, it performs consistently well. The sweet spot is forgiving, which helps reduce mistakes and makes it easier to stay in control during longer rallies. It's also very comfortable to use, even during extended matches, making it a reliable choice for players who want versatility without any major weaknesses. Now stepping into more advanced territory, we have the Adidas Metalbone. This racket is designed for experienced players who want both performance and customization. One of its standout features is the adjustable weight system, which allows you to fine-tune the balance and feel according to your preference. It delivers strong power, excellent stability, and solid control, but it really shines in the hands of players who know how to take advantage of its features. This isn't the easiest racket to master, but if you're an advanced player, it gives you the tools to elevate your game. Finally, the BULLPADEL Ionic is a great option for players who want a balance between performance and comfort. It's easier to handle compared to more aggressive rackets and provides a smoother, more controlled feel when hitting the ball. You still get good power, but it's more manageable, which makes it ideal for intermediate players or those improving their consistency. And it's also quite forgiving, helping reduce unforced errors and build confidence during matches. If you want something reliable and easy to play with, this is a very solid choice. So those are 5 of the best paddle rackets in 2026. And as you can see, each one is designed for a different type of player. Whether you prefer power, speed, balance, or customization, the right racket can make a huge difference in your performance. It really comes down to your playing style and what feels most comfortable in your hands. If any of these caught your attention, make sure to check the links in the description below. And for more gear breakdowns like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.